Okay guys, super elementary. This thing definitely is worth it. So I went through all the settings. You can go through and change the screen settings as far as display, what the display looks like, brightness, color, contrast. You can also go in, change the brake type. I picked this because they can do electric, or you can do electric over hydraulic. I don't know if anybody does that or not. Then this is just your basic up and down, 0 to 14. On the bottom you have your safety or your test. And you can set this up for like 4 different trailers, I guess. I primarily only pull 2. I guess I'm probably not going to set it up for a bunch of different ones unless I get to the point where I'm doing a lot more pulling. But most of the time, this is what will be behind it, is my 30-foot enclosed 12,000 pound GVWR for the side-by-sides, and I'm actually going to haul my wife's Yukon Denali XL into the shop. It's got to have a few things done on it under warranty. She sits pretty good. The other thing I got is I put the airbags at about 40 psi in the back. Had just a little bit of squat. And I'm trying out the new shocker hitch. Pretty impressed so far. It's pretty cool how this bag, so this thing slides up underneath of the hitch, and as you're driving, it takes up all the shock. It's called a shocker hitch. And then here, your front to back movement, and as the trailer bucks it all, which this trailer rides pretty good. It's all torsion springs, torsion axles, I should say. So we'll find out once I put the Yukon in it, and my General will be at 7, 8, 9,000. We'll be pushing capacities. Like I said, 12,000 GVW. Trailer weighs 3840, so we're gonna be up there at the max. So we'll do a little video of it towing tomorrow and see how the pig does.